This is Ava's art and craft setup. It is located right next to her books. And it has her words of affirmation, positive words of affirmation. And it has her books. And it has her canvas ready for her. And everything she will need to paint. And it has the 3 main colors needed for painting. And this is Ava's setup. I just did this today. So what we used to have right there were just the books, the positive words of affirmation, the rainbow, and we had this sofa placed underneath the books so that she could sit down and read. So we had the gray sofa placed underneath the bookshelves, and she could sit underneath the bookshelves, or she could sit right there in that corner. That was her reading corner, and she could read as many books as she wanted, or she could play and read books. And today I was thinking that I've been wanting an art section for her, just a paint section or an art section where she can just, I'll switch it up, where she can just, be creative and have that opportunity to be creative, because we have creative days and we have arts and crafts mornings and stuff like that. But this is purposefully arts and crafts or reading or anything that has to do with the arts. And so I moved her sofa right there because she can still grab a book and she can still sit down and read, and she has her globe and she has her journal over there, and she has, just her photo albums and her books and just everything she needs, the life cycle. But I really wanted her to have that space to explore, to be creative, to feel confident, to feel inventive, and just whatever she wants to do. We have more canvases, we have paper, we have a roll of paper that we bought at IKEA, and we had it. So we used to have that in the living room. We used to have the wall that goes on the actual wall, and you screw it on, and then they just pull out the paper and they put it on top of the table, and she would be able to write and draw and do anything she wanted to do. But there came a time when she stopped playing with it, and so we just eliminated it. We just removed it from the living room, and then that table was obviously our reading table. It was both. It was our reading table and our art table. But right now we have another table now, and so we can dedicate it specifically to the art section, which I'm really happy about. And we'll see how she does tomorrow in the morning when she wakes up. I'm so excited. And then she has a bamboo right there.
Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Look. Mom, look up with you to feel that plane mat. The plane mat is really we have to do pie because they never do pie.